DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont. This nice Mercedes. Our team now is doing our deep decontamination wash, and then we're going to do between a 1 and a 2 stage paint correction because this paint has tons of swirl marks and marring, but that's okay because we're going to make it look absolutely amazing. And then the customer is getting the ceramic coating 5 years for the rest of the vehicle, but then here in the front we're going to go with Expel paint protection film so that he doesn't get those ugly rock chips. So stay tuned for the results. DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont. Our Instagram customer brought us in this beautiful Mercedes. It has tons of swirl marks, some marring going on. So our team has finished performing our deep decontamination wash, and now we're performing our paint correction so that we can protect the full front with Expel paint protection film. And then the rest of this vehicle is getting protected with Ceramic Pro 5 years. So we're going to make this paint look absolutely amazing for the customer while protecting it from rock chip damage for 10 full years. Stay tuned for our results. DoubleTake Auto Spa is your answer. Our number here is 510-472-4181. DoubleTake Auto Spa Fremont. We are installing Expel paint protection film on this 2017 Mercedes. It already has a few rock chips, so we've already filled those in, and now we're going to protect it so that he doesn't get more damage caused by rock chips. So Expel paint protection film will last 10 years. Most people will protect the hood, front bumper, and side fenders because that's considered your high impact area. Thinking about protecting your vehicle? Contact us. Our number here is 510-472-4181. DoubleTake Auto Spa Fremont. Our team has completed paint correction on this beautiful Mercedes, and now we are applying our ceramic coating 5 years protection. So this customer is going to enjoy a beautiful shine. He will not have to wax this vehicle for 5 full years. It's going to be super easy for him to maintain this black Mercedes AMG. And that's why so many people decide to protect their vehicles versus going with the wax. There's no more guessing whether or not your car is protected or not. And then it also offers the best protection against the UV ray sun fading your paint. So contact DoubleTake Auto Spa Fremont. Our number here is 510-472-4181, and we'll make your vehicle look just as amazing. Double checking our work is what we do to make sure our ceramic coating is flawless. Look at that beautiful shine. Amazing. It's showtime. Yes.
Oh, wow.
Is that bad or what? This 5 years. This is how your car can stay looking for 5 full years. Better than showroom.
Wow. Oh man, everyone watching this, do not go anywhere else. Come Sandra and Paul, DoubleTake Auto Spa, let's take care of you.
Loving you, yes, thank you. Yes. Well, you have a beautiful ride, though. And I mean, you know, this is the way black's supposed to look.
I didn't think it looked this incredible. Wow.